Hi guys, this is Pri. Welcome to our channel IELTS with Pri and Aman at IELTS Success Academy. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing our channel and make sure to hit the like button and also share it with your friends. So in this video, we will be doing a cue card that was recently asked in the exams. So I had scored band 9 in my speaking test and I wanted to share some secrets with all of you so that you can achieve the same band score in your exam. So let's look at the topic. Describe a park or garden in your city. You should say when you go there, where it is, who you often go there with, what it is like, and explain why you like to visit. So as you all can see, there are 5 questions attached to this cue card and we need to make sure that all of these 5 questions are answered within the 2 minutes that we are given to speak. So let's brainstorm a few ideas together before we jump onto the sample answer. So this question is asking you to describe a park or a garden. So say for example, if you are living in a big city or maybe you have a famous park, maybe if you are staying in Nainital, you can talk about Jim Corbett Park, or maybe if you are from Kolkata, you can talk about Eco Park, or maybe about the Rock Gardens if you are staying in Chandigarh, right? But what about if you're not from any of these cities? Then you can just describe a local park or any park that is in your city, so you don't have to fall short of ideas, right? Because the question is not actually checking your knowledge or facts about a particular park or garden, but it is checking if you can actually explain or elaborate a particular park or garden that is there in your city, if you are giving relevant elaboration or not. So these are some of the ideas that I just came up with while I was reading the question. If you do have any other ideas, please do share in the comment box below. Also, I have posted a lot of videos about other cue cards which are coming up in the exams, or they were like asked to some of my students. So you can also check those out. Alright, so let's look at a sample answer that I have created for you all. Parks provide intrinsic environment, aesthetic and recreation benefits to cities, and today I would like to talk about my local community park which I visit usually in the evenings. So as you all can see, instead of jumping directly to the first question, we have given a little bit of an introduction to the examiner and also clearly communicating what we are going to speak about today by using the phrase I would like to talk about. Alright, so let's continue. Moreover, I live in Kolkata and there are ample number of green spaces in my city, and this park is amongst one of them and is only a 5-minute walk from my home. Additionally, I go to this park with my cousin after returning from college to refresh my mind and de-stress myself from my hectic schedule. So hectic means busy. Also, we have answered the first 3 questions, which is when you go there, where it is, and who you often go there with. The last 2 questions, which is what it is like and explain why you like to visit, still remains. So let's answer that. Furthermore, this park is well maintained, hosts a wide variety of floral species, and also has a fountain in the center, making it all the more attractive. So instead of using it has a wide variety of floral species, we used a better vocabulary word which is hosts. Floral species simply means flowers. So again we used a better vocabulary word here as well. So you can add all of these words to your vocabulary list as well, and next time when you are practicing speaking you can use it in your conversation as well. Alright, so let's continue. Besides that, it features a separate kids' play area, has benches installed at short distances, and provides a distinct track for walking and bicycling, making it safe and convenient for all age groups. So, installed means there are benches which are present at short distances, and distinct means a separate track for walking and bicycling. Alright, so the last question, which is explain why you like to visit, still remains, so let's answer that. Finally, I like going to this park as I can practice yoga and meditation amidst the fresh and clean environment, enhancing my cardiovascular health while at the same time rejuvenating my mind and body in the tranquil surroundings. So enhance means to improve. Cardiovascular health is related to your heart. And tranquil means something which is very peace, calm, or quiet. So you can add all of these words to your vocabulary list as well, because these will enhance your band scores for your lexical resources part later on. Also, as you all can see, we used a lot of connectors here as well, like moreover, however, although, finally, and all these will increase our band scores for the coherence and cohesion part later on as well. As for our fluency and pronunciation, which are the other two criteria on which you are marked upon, we made sure that we were not taking any kind of pauses in between, and we also made sure that our speech was clear at all times. We did not do any kind of or any kind of repetitions in between. So all these will also increase our bands for a fluency and pronunciation part. Thank you for your time, everyone. If you did like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and also consider subscribing to our channel. Till then, take care and see you soon. Bye bye.